Would you like to set and adjust the central locking options of your Audi, but you're not sure how to do so? No problem. Just watch this video and I will show you in a few simple steps how to set and adjust the central locking options of your Audi, including how to activate and deactivate the automatic mirror folding option and how to activate and deactivate the Audi keyless entry option. But first, help us grow this channel by clicking on the subscribe button. Go to the Audi MMI screen and click on Car. Go to Settings and Service and click then on Central Locking. You will now enter the menu where you can set and adjust your preferred settings for the central locking. Do you want your mirrors to close automatically when you lock your Audi? Make sure that the Fold Mirrors button is activated. Do you prefer the windows of your Audi not to open automatically when you press and hold the lock or unlock button on your Audi key fob? Make sure that the long press to open windows button is deactivated. Do you prefer not to use the Audi keyless entry option? Make sure that the option Open with Convenience Key is deactivated. This option is also often set to make it more difficult for criminals to break into your car. By deactivating this button, your Audi will only open or close by using the lock or unlock button on your Audi key fob. Thank you for watching this video and don't forget to click on the subscribe button to see more VAG Car Tutorials.